Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. In this video, we'll dive into practical tips on researching projects, buying altcoins, and protecting your investments. Innovation and use cases. Altcoins push boundaries Bitcoin won't touch. They're the test labs of crypto, experimenting with ideas that might reshape entire industries. Smart contracts, Ethereum, Cardano, automate agreements without middlemen. Near zero fees, Solana, enable microtransactions impossible on Bitcoin's network. Privacy features, Monero, offer financial anonymity where Bitcoin falls short. These innovations aren't just tech demos. They solve real problems, from slow banks to censored transactions. The best altcoins don't just chase hype, they build something useful. Risks. Volatility and market saturation. The flip side? Altcoins can be brutal. Three major risks stand out. Volatility, prices swing wildly. A 50% drop in a day isn't uncommon, and not every coin recovers. Market saturation, over 20,000 altcoins exist. Most lack staying power, drowning in a sea of competition. Regulation crackdowns. Governments target altcoins more aggressively than Bitcoin, as seen with SEC lawsuits. Diversification helps, but even strong projects aren't immune to crashes. Before investing, ask, does this coin solve a real problem, or is it just riding a trend? How to evaluate altcoins before investing. Picking the right altcoin isn't about following hype. It's about cold, hard analysis. A shiny website and vague promises won't cut it. You need to dig into the tech, the team, and the market trends. Here's how to separate the gems from the junk. Understanding the technology behind the altcoin. The tech is the backbone. If it doesn't work, the coin won't last. Ask yourself, does it solve a real problem? Solana tackles slow transactions. Chainlink connects blockchains to real-world data. If a coin's only selling point is being the next Bitcoin, skip it. Is it scalable? A blockchain that clogs under pressure, looking at you, early Ethereum, will frustrate users. Look for solutions like sharding or Layer 2 networks. How's the security? Proof of work, POW, is battle-tested but slow. Proof of stake, POS, is faster but newer. Some, like Cardano, use peer-reviewed methods to reduce risks. Bad tech means eventual failure. Good tech means a fighting chance. Assessing the development team and community. A coin is only as strong as the people behind it. Here's what to check. Who's building it? Anonymous teams raise red flags. Look for founders with track records. Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin or Solana's Anatoly Yakovenko lend credibility. Is development active? GitHub activity matters. Frequent updates signal commitment. Dead repos signal abandonment. Community strength. A loud, engaged community, like Cardano's, can drive adoption. But watch out for echo chambers. Blind hype isn't the same as real support. No team? No trust. No community? No future. Market performance and historical data. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it's a clue. Dig into price history. Did the coin survive crashes? Or does it pump and dump every few months? Stability in downturns is a good sign. Trading volume. Low volume means liquidity problems. You don't want to get stuck holding a coin you can't sell. Competition. How does it stack against rivals? Even great tech can fail if a competitor does it better. Sorry, Litecoin. Use tools like CoinGecko or TradingView to spot trends. Emotion fades. Data tells the truth. Remember, the best investments are boring until they're not. Do the homework, ignore the noise, and you'll spot the real opportunities. The future of altcoins. Bitcoin may dominate conversations, but altcoins are where the real innovation happens. Solana's speed, Cardano's research-driven approach, and other altcoin projects are pushing blockchain beyond just digital gold. So, what's next for these cryptocurrencies? Emerging trends in the altcoin market. Altcoins aren't just competing with Bitcoin, they're evolving faster. Here are 3 trends shaping their future. Layer 2 solutions. Ethereum's scaling struggles gave rise to altcoins like Polygon and Arbitrum. Now, even Bitcoin is getting Layer 2 upgrades. Hello, Lightning Network. Expect more altcoins to focus on speed without sacrificing security. Integration. Projects like Fetch. blend blockchain with artificial intelligence, automating tasks from trading to data analysis. This could redefine how we interact with decentralized apps. Real-world asset tokenization. Altcoins are turning everything, real estate, stocks, even carbon credits, into tradable tokens. Solana and Cardano are leading this shift, making finance more accessible. These trends show altcoins aren't just speculative assets. They're building the infrastructure for a decentralized future. Potential challenges and regulatory landscape. Not everything is smooth sailing. Altcoins face hurdles that could make or break their success. Regulatory pressure. Governments are cracking down harder on altcoins than Bitcoin. The SEC's lawsuits against projects like XRP and Solana show no project is safe from scrutiny. Market saturation. With thousands of altcoins launching yearly, standing out is tough. Only those with clear utility, like Chainlink's Oracle network, survive long-term. Security risks. Faster blockchains can mean trade-offs. Solana's past outages prove that scalability doesn't always equal reliability. The winners will be those who adapt, balancing innovation with compliance and security. How altcoins could shape the future of finance. Altcoins aren't just changing crypto, they're redefining money itself. Here's where they might take us. Banking the unbanked. Projects like Stellar and Ripple already offer low-cost cross-border payments. In regions with unstable currencies, altcoins could become the default financial system. Decentralized finance, DeFi, Ethereum started it, but altcoins like Avalanche and Solana are making DeFi faster and cheaper. Soon, borrowing, lending, and trading might happen entirely on-chain. Ownership economy. NFTs and tokenized assets, powered by altcoins, let people own everything from art to patents. This could shift power from corporations back to individuals. Bitcoin stores value, but altcoins build the future. The question isn't if they'll shape finance, it's how fast. Altcoins like Solana and Cardano prove crypto isn't a one-coin game. They bring speed, innovation, and real-world solutions to the table, from fast transactions to decentralized finance. But with opportunity comes risk. Volatility, regulation, and competition mean not every project survives. Smart investors don't chase hype. They look for strong tech, active teams, and clear use cases. The future of finance will likely blend Bitcoin's stability with altcoins' versatility, reshaping how we trade, bank, and even own assets. The question isn't whether altcoins will stick around. It's which ones will outlast the noise and actually change the game. Which coin are you betting on for the long haul? Drop your thoughts below and let's keep the conversation going on this video. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.